Tommy Moy, ahi, ahi, ahi.
Wow, what?
Nanga,
Nanga?
tagak.
Tagak?
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Seriously?
birthday, yeah.
Good morning, Philippines!
Naghugas si Mister because he's planning to make this. He's going to cook this for the dogs and cats. Seriously. He's just gonna bake it. Put it in the oven because it doesn't need to be marinated or salty.
Oh, it can't be salty.
It's for the dogs and the cats, so it doesn't need to be. You know, your dogs like to be like.
You don't want them enough.
I'm just really worried about this, guys. Here, before it go bad and we throw out again. Guys, loto na naman tayo ng broccoli. Is it sweet? Broccoli rub, guys. Lagyan natin ng maraming garlic. Meron na tayong oil dito. Yarn, yung oil niya. At saka garlic. Ha?
Not very sweet.
Not sweet? It's just like you, not sweet. Come here, come.
Out.
Go ahead. Man, you just put it in there. It's not gonna go away.
Yeah, but look at the bottom. It's really cooking quicker.
It's fine. That's fine. It's for the dogs. It doesn't need it. Even it's like not cooked. They will eat it.
That's true.
Huh?
You laugh, but that's true.
I know. Ang ilagay natin guys sa broccoli rub is yung kirkla na, yun, garlic at saka crushed red pepper. Wala, careful with my gum. Happy birthday to me. Tumihan. Happy birthday. In the Philippines, you don't say Tommy because of Tommy. Why is it become Tommy instead of Tommy? Oh, is that what is it? Ah, Tom is 1M. And if you said Tom, it's 2M. Huh? No.
No, Tom is actually T-H-O-M.
Tom is T-H-O-M? Some people call you
Well, how it's
Tom.
pronounced. Yeah, but it is.
Tommy. Oh, not Tom. Tom. Tommy. Tommy Moy. Ahi. 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 He likes when I sing like this or he doesn't like it. He kind of like feel it like I'm weird, guys. Ilagay na natin si kubachis po ito, guys, pero you cook it one. Lagyan siya ng pepper. Actually, kanina pa sana ito ilagay sa kasama si garlic. Pero okay lang. Yun. Not so much kasi I think dalhan ni Tommy si mother focus. And garlic. Garlic is good, sabi pa niya. And then, ito yung gamitin nating paper. Kamita kasi sabi ko nga, baka dalhan si Bianan. Ayaw niya yung sobrang mapaminta. Yun. But, kayo na yung bahala kung ano yung ano. Basta, pwede naman siya tikman-tikman at then i-add nyo lang mamaya. Kasi ito na siya, guys. Ang gagawin ko is i-cover ko lang siya. And then, yun, pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. May story ako sa inyo. Noon, guys, nung okay, yung si Bianan is okay pa siya. Yung okay pa yun siya, talaga, wala pang ganitong problema. And then, doon kami nakatira sa bahay nila, guys, diba? Anong feeling nyo, guys, kapag nagluluto kayo, and then, diba yung kitchen is andun sila nakaupo, ganun-ganun, yan, nagluluto ako. So, ganito yung mangyayari palagi. Nagluluto ako, ganito, or iba, kahit ano, kahit iba. And then, yung Bianan ko, guys, palagi yung nakatingin sa ginagawa ko. And then, if I did something a little bit weird, like, hindi sa paningin niya, iba sa paningin niya. And then, mag-whisper yan sa asawa ko. And then, yung whisper niya, rinig na rinig ko. Kasi maliit yung area, diba? So, maliit yung area. So, sabi, marinig ko noon, sabihin niyo man na maldita ako, pero ibang pakiramdam na palagi kang nagluluto, everyday ka nagluluto para sa kanila, pero parang inaano nila na iba yung ginagawa ko, parang mali yung ginagawa ko. And then, nilulutuan ko na nga, mali pa yung ginagawa ko. For example, like this, mostly like this, ito, mga ganito. May palaging ano si Bianan, uy, hindi nilagyan ng asin. Uy, wala masyadong garlic. Uy, wala masyadong crushed pepper. Uy, grabe yung parang siya na rin yung nagluluto ba? So, palagi niya, hindi niya ako sinabihan. ang sabihan niya yung asawa ko at narinig ko. Kaya meron ng mga problema noon. Marami ng mga problema noon sa aming dalawa. Pero mas nadagdagan siya every time talaga. Kasi ayaw ko talaga yung meron akong ginagawa. Kung gusto mong tumulong, sabihin mo, punta ka dito. Tayong dalawa magluluto. Pero wag mong parang ihunghong mo pa, parang i-whisper mo pa sa katabi mo na narinig ko naman, asawa ko yan. Palagi niya sinasabihan yung ina niya na ganyan siya magluto ganyan siya magluto. Hindi niya ako kinukorek dahil sinabi ng ina niya. So doon ako believe kasi parang sinabihan, hindi naman para yung iba-iba kasi tayong style. May style si Tami, may style si Bianan, may style din ako. Pero yun, mga kaunting lang, pero lumalaki. Noon yun guys, noon. Pero grabe yung mga nadaanan ko kasama si Bianan sa bahay. Doon sa bahay pa kami. Sa bahay pa kami ni Bianan nakatira. Yeah, grabe. Mayroon kaming mga iringan, mayroong hindi yun ang pinaka-awkward talaga sa amin ni Bianan noon guys ha. Okay na kami ngayon ha. Noon, grabe ka-awkward kasi kumakain kami. Hindi kami mag-uusap talaga. As in yung utak ni Bianan noon, natural ba? Para katulad sa atin, natural na walang hindi nakakalimutin. Ganyan. Hindi niya, iba yung titig niyo sa akin guys, ganun. Kumakain kami guys, tinititigan ako as ina-awkward ako. Sometimes talaga hindi ko talaga malunok yung kinakain ko. Iwan ko, parang, and then iba naman din ako, kapag tinitigan ako, tumitig din ako. Paminsan, tumitig siya sa akin din. Matawa na lang ako kasi sabihin ko, may dumi ba sa mukha ko? Palagi ko yung sinasabi, yung mukha ni Tami ganun, nakatingin sa akin, maano siya, wag ko na daw pansinin. Parang pansinin. Sabi niya, kasi makatingin sa akin, kumakain ka ba? Ikaw tinitignan? Nung nag-start akong nagmukbang guys, alam nyo ba yung nag-start ako nagmukbang? Sabi pa ni Tami, ayaw mong tinitignan pero naka-film ka at maraming nakatingin sa'yo. Sabi ko, iba kasi yung ina mo kasi iba pag makatingin, parang siya na lang yung gustong lumunok. Ay, natawa ako guys. Noon yung mga nakaraan guys. Rotisserie. Look at guys. Ang ganda niyo guys. Grabe. Lutsyo na talaga siya guys. Hindi makabangon guys dahil sa bigat The inside part of the thing, it's kind of loosen the meat. So it's every time it turn the heavy part, it's kind of like Yummers. Mukbang tayo mamaya, guys. Mukbang natin yan. Ito na siya, guys. Nalagay ko na yung isang batch na damihan lang natin ng garlic powder kasi gustong-gusto ito ni Bianan at Tami. And then, yun guys, babayaan lang natin ito dito, guys. I-mix natin ito mamaya. Ito na siya, guys. Lumiliit, kumukunti. Lumiliit. Ito na naman tayo sa Tagalog natin. Lumiliit, kumukunti na siya. Parang, basta, lumiliit siya. Okay naman yung word na lumiliit. Iba yung kumunti. I think lumiliit siya. Parang katulad ng ibang tao dyan, nag-shrink. Tapos na siya, guys. And, initin na lang natin siya mamaya kapag ready na kaming kumain. So, kaya, okay na to. Sa mga nagtatanong, again, ito yung pangalan guys ha. Ayan. Ronco, Showtime, Rotisserie, and Barbecue. Look. Ronco. R-O-N-C-O. Oh my goodness guys. Ilam mo naman. Grabe guys. Ang loto-loto niya na guys. Hala. Oil splashes. Andito sila ngayon sa labas.
Really?
No, fine.
Unang araw, ayun, ang fall.
Nangatagak na dahon.
Wow, what?
Tagak na dahon.
No, that is not fall. You just made it.
No. It's one. Everything changes, guys. Look down, guys. Red. Hey, you're gonna be happy. There is a bouncy of the sticky.
Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Oo.
Thank you for my hat. Cool.
Okay, Tommy's washing dishes, guys. Let me see. Yeah, it's good. Oh, it's right there, white. That's it. And over here. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Ah, right here. And guys, I have to pay attention with this because, you know, the birthday boy, he doesn't like overcook. So, we have to pay attention because he wanna be a vampire. So, we're gonna let him. He like a bloody thing, so we're gonna let him eat blood.
Dogs.
No, they don't eat that kind of juice.
What?
No, there is a lot of... No, but you know what? Don't... If you wanna do it, don't tell me. You do it yourself.
Put a little bit on their feet.
No, we have this juice. When we cut this. Think, Han, if it's not... If it's over... If it's a little bit orange, purple, is it okay? Huh?
Well, it shouldn't be purple, but...
I know. Okay, guys. Ito na siya, guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while, Han. Guys, hindi siya sunog, ha? It's not burnt. It's just the color, but... Okay, it's always like that. The color is not always perfect. So, I'm just gonna leave it over there.
What would you rather have? You want to have the chicken or you want to have the steak?
The chicken is for the dog and cat, guys. Don't...
It's still regular chicken. It's not like dog food or cat food. It's just people chicken.
Okay, we're gonna eat soon. No, it's still early.
I'll take this.
I'm not gonna do that. That's okay, Han. It's fun when we do it. Napasok lagi ito.
A lot.
Han. Look. I think it's fine. You know why? Because all the meat in here, it's like open up because of the movement. I think it's cooked quickly. So, we're just gonna leave this here. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Yeah. Oh!
Apparently I'm 3.
3 years old. Why you cannot just cut it here?
I don't want to cut it in here. Ruin the pan.
Take this out. Hi guys! Kain tayo guys ah.
Okay, cut you first because all we're done is all on the outside.
The back. The back.
Just right here?
Yeah. Be careful, huh?
The
The
bone right
juices, huh?
There's a bone right there.
Ah.
Let me cut the other side first.
Are you sure the other side is
bone
good?
there too.
They're all bones. Oh, it's not cooked.
It's cooked. Did that not cook enough for you?
That's good, that's good. You know I want bones, big boy. That's good. Just give me the first one. Okay, let me film this. I can rest. Go ahead.
Now you want me to cut a bone out of here somewhere?
Oh, let me film it. Okay, you can cut. I can maneuver myself.
Where's it on? See how big a piece you gotta get for the bone?
That's good, hon.
We just cut the bone off, okay?
Yeah, doesn't matter. Oh, that's nice, hon. Don't cut everything yet. We're gonna eat. Leave it like that.
But you don't want the red part. You want to cut the bone off of that?
Just the bone, yeah.
I gotta leave some meat on. What good is it?
My stomach is hurting looking at it. And guys, that's Tommy's favorite part, guys. Look at that, guys. Not cooked, guys.
It's fine. That's perfect.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
The juice in it.
Oh, he's feeding his kids. The spoiled kids. Misty's slowly hiding. Misty's hiding.
You hide, you lose, kid.
Guys, after kumain, and yung asawa ko tulog. I think may storm na darating. Iwan ko, may storm na darating kaya dumidilim na. Napagod ako. Ay, saka dami kong pinggan na hinugasan. Tapos na. Ay, nakakapagod maghugas ng pinggan. Yun yung pinakaano kapag magluto. And then, hugas ng pinggan. Grabe. Nakakapagod. Ayan. Tapos na akong ng video. Hi guys, we stayed outside. Nag-enjoy kami sa labas kasi ang ganda ng hangin guys. Hindi maginaw, hindi mainit, basta maganda. And then kami dalawa ni Tami, nag-ano lang kami sa nag-ano lang kami, nagtingin-tingin sa front yard namin. And yan. Kasi guys, alam nyo naman guys, few weeks from now, it's gonna be cold. So, enjoy the weather. Especially this time, Hanya. It's nice, Han? Katatapos lang namin nanonood ng Touched by Angel. And we're going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pasensya na sa light kasi dark dito. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye guys.
Good night.